So hello friends, hope you are doing good. My name is George and welcome back to my YouTube channel The Techy. So friends, in this video we will be talking how to install Minecraft Java Edition full version, the official Minecraft on PC for free. So as you all know, Minecraft is not a free game, you need to pay for it, but in this video I will be giving you a brief tutorial how you can play Minecraft Java full version, not the trial version, the full version for free. So let's get straight into it. But before starting, please consider liking this video and also subscribing to the channel and also commenting down if you have any suggestions. So let's begin. So firstly, what you need to do is open any browser of your choice. I just open up Chrome quickly. Now you need to type Minecraft
Download. This link would also be in the description, so don't worry, just click on the link and this will take you to this page. It's written already own Minecraft. Download it again, download for Windows, and it will start downloading, and it's done downloading. Now we will need Java, so let's quickly get up Java.
download. So as it's Minecraft Java, you will need Java for this to run properly. So Java Oracle, click on this. All the links would be in the description, so don't worry, they will directly lead you over here. Like, click on Java download. Now click on agree and start a free download. Now it will start downloading. As you can see over here, it's downloaded. Now it's verifying. Now as you can see, both the files are downloaded, so you can close the browser, open a file explorer, go to your downloads folder, double click on the Java installer, no, click on it, right click, and then run as administrator. Now it will ask for permission, yes or no, tap yes. Tap yes. Now Java setup will pop up. It's loading. Now as you can see, Java setup is right here. Click on install, and now it will start installing Java onto your system. And as you can see, installing Java, this can take approximately 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that, maximum to maximum 5 or 7 minutes. So I will pause the recording and will begin when it installs. It would not take much, just approx 2 or 3 minutes. As you can see, this is more than half installed, like approximately 70% installed in just 1 minute, so it wouldn't take that long. So as you can see, it's almost done. It can stop at any moment. It's almost done installing. So as you can see, the setup just closed up and now it's fully installed. Just for checking, you can go to your start and check, over here it would show recently added, configure Java, and check for updates. These two will be here, so you can know that your Java is fully installed. Now let's move next to Minecraft launcher, and a message will also pop up showing you have successfully installed Java. Click on close. Now open your file explorer again, go to your downloads folder, and then just double click on the Minecraft installer. Now it will pop up like this. Welcome to Minecraft launcher setup. Click next. Choose your location where you want to install. I would not change it. I would set it to default. Click next and click install. Now it would ask for permission. Tap yes. To continue your installation, tap yes, and it won't take much long, like it just took only a few seconds and it's installed. Now untick this one and click on finish. So now what you need to do is open up your browser, any browser you can take. So now after it's open, you need to type mcleaks.
So now it's time to get mcleaks to run up Minecraft. So open up Chrome, type here mcleaks, click enter. This link would also be in the description, so you will direct it to this site. Click on authenticator, click download for Windows, and a small software of around 512 kilobytes will start downloading just half MB. Just minimize it, don't close Chrome, just minimize it. Now open your Minecraft launcher. After when you open it for the first time, it updates. Then mine is already updated, so it will open up normally. After it updates, you can start it again. After opening the launcher, it would look something like this. Now you will open your file explorer, go to downloads folder, right click the mcleaks authenticator and run as administrator. Now it will ask for permission, tap yes. Whenever any software asks for permission in my videos, tap yes. So it will take a few seconds, just 5 seconds or 6 seconds. Actually my laptop is very old, that's why it sometimes takes time. If you have a new PC or a new laptop, this won't take long. Click on Mojang after mcleaks authenticator has been launched up. Click on Mojang, okay, then mcleaks, yes. And okay, now go to Chrome, refresh the page, click on get account. Now you will ask, now you will be prompted for I'm not a robot, that verification. And now you have your account. This is your profile picture. If you did not like this picture, you can take another. You need to wait. So just copy alt token, go to Minecraft launcher, click on Mojang login, paste it by hitting Ctrl V. Password you can type of your choice. I'm just typing 123. Yeah, login. You can close up mcleaks, close up Chrome, and you have your Minecraft launcher ready, so you can play. This is full version, full activated. If you face any problems, you can comment down. This was pretty much it for today's video. If you like the video, then please consider pressing that thumbs up button and commenting down, and if you have any issues. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and thanks for watching.